Why should you learn affiliate marketing? Hello and welcome to Smart Laptop Lifestyle. Attention, new affiliate marketers. So why should you learn affiliate marketing? I used to work a 9 to 5, unhappy, unfulfilled and always thinking that there must be more to life than this. Hello and welcome to Why Should You Learn Affiliate Marketing. If you are new here, thank you for your visit and welcome, and if you are a subscriber and regular visitor, thank you. You may be wondering why I keep talking about affiliate marketing again. The reason is simple: it works. When I really understood how it worked, I was blown away. So today I am going deep into affiliate marketing with this video because I want you to realize the power and the full potential that being an affiliate marketer can bring to your life. If you are new to affiliate marketing, then this post is going to be very useful to you. Very useful. I am not just going to only explain what affiliate marketing is and all about, but I am also going to show you some real people that are making thousands or even millions of dollars per year. So if you want to make a few extra dollars, pounds without doing much, I got you. Or if you are like me and want to make this a full-time lifestyle and quit your day job, you are going to find this very useful. Very. Let's get started with the basics. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a modern twist of a very old idea, which is getting a commission on a sale. You introduce your audience to products or services from trusted legitimate companies or individuals and get a commission on any sales from customers you send their way. That is what affiliate marketing is, in a nutshell. You may have heard or even seen from my blog about bloggers making money by building an audience that trust them and then offering them products or services that will genuinely help that audience. Affiliate marketing, in a word, is just a quicker way that you can offer your audience products or services without having to create them yourself. So when you find a product or service that you like, you can promote it to your target audience and earn a part of the profit on each sale you make. Simple enough idea, right? Let's look a little deeper into this. Here is an example. In my review post on joining a platform that teaches you how to create and build your own online business, which you can check out at smartlaptoplifestyle.com, I share with my target audience the ins and outs of what to look for when choosing a platform that is going to help you to create and develop your online business, and why I use them and how you could also benefit from using them. People want to know who I would recommend based those criteria, and here is what I say. Here are 3 eye-opening reasons. You will be able to monetize your blog a lot sooner than if you created your own product from scratch. You can learn what type of products or services your readers are screaming out for and reduce the risk of your own product or service launch in the future. You can get your readers used to buying from you, and you will increase their trust level, only if you are picking the right products or services to sell. These are important advantages for you as you start to grow your blog. This is only the beginning. Here are some additional benefits to affiliate marketing. It's easy to get started. All you do is share a link with your readers and you are good to go. Why? You don't have to worry about all the other details attached to the purchasing side, like tracking sales, customer service, payment setup or anything like that, because all that is handled by the merchant. Yay! You don't need to have a support team. Affiliate marketing is a business that you can do all by yourself. You do not have to be an expert. You don't have to be a guru in your niche. You only need to be familiar with your niche topic and know what products are worth recommending to your readers. It's low risk and minimum effort. Affiliate marketing doesn't need a large investment of money on your part to get started. So affiliate marketing sounds like a really good idea, right? Well, let's see if it is suitable for you. Is affiliate marketing easy? Affiliate marketing may look like nice money, but to become successful you are going to need to have a few things in place before getting started. So please don't just jump right in if you are still unsure about things. First, make sure that you have your blog site set up and that you are writing regular content on your blog. You will have to give your readers a lot of free valuable information so that you will build your credibility and trust before you start asking them for sales. You will need to build an email list with a few, approximately 300 subscribers. It will show you that your content has value. If you can attract and keep 300 plus subscribers engaged, you will have a good foundation that has earning potential. Delay your affiliate marketing if you are offering services such as design, writing, consulting, coaching, or other professional services. It would be a good idea to delay your affiliate marketing, because it would be better selling your services first and foremost, as this is your most profitable way to start monetizing your website. So make that your priority. It would be better to add affiliate offers once your main money-making services are running effortlessly. Hey! You still with me? Brilliant! Like what I am sharing, please like and subscribe. You can also get more information from the links in the description below. Affiliate marketing for beginners, made quick and simple. I know when I started out I didn't have a clue what an affiliate link was or even looked like. I know what it did, to a little, but my knowledge was very basic. Affiliate links are based on a simple idea, but affiliate marketing can appear complicated when you are starting out and start getting into the details. I am going to help you understand the important parts of affiliate marketing without getting stuck on the technical details. Let's get started with the basic definitions. Affiliate marketing has its own language and terminology, which can be a little confusing at first. But once you get started and begin understanding them, you will find it a lot easier. A few terms that are important to know. Affiliate, the partner, also publisher, who promotes the merchant's products or services for a commission. Affiliate agreement, informal agreement that contains the rules and terms that both parties agree to, such as rates of pay, responsibilities, and other legal matters. Affiliate link, trackable URL that identifies the affiliate as the source of traffic to the merchant's website. When someone clicks on your referral link, it will count as a referral. Affiliate network, a marketplace where an affiliate can find products to sell and where merchants list their products. Affiliate program, this is a program that is set up by merchants to pay commissions when affiliates refer people to their products. Commission, this is a percentage of the total sale that is paid when an affiliate refers a sale. Cookie, not for eating. LOL. Cookies in affiliate marketing are a unique ID to the buyer in order to tag the sales as being referred by you. Cookies usually have a lifespan, e.g. 60 days. So that if the buyer doesn't make a purchase on that day, you will still get the credit if they buy within the cookie time frame. Customer, the buyer of the service or product from the merchant. Merchant, the owner or creator of the product or service. Brand or retailer. Referral, when traffic is sent by an affiliate to a merchant's website via a click or sale. Traffic, people, readers, your audience that come to your website. So how do I become an affiliate marketer? Becoming an affiliate marketer can be a little technical. This is why I am glad that you are watching this video, because you don't need to know all the technical details to get started. The great thing is the actual mechanics run in the background and thanks merchants' affiliate program software. Let's take a brief look at behind the scenes. When an affiliate joins the merchant's program, they are given a unique ID and URL, which is used when promoting the merchant's product. The affiliate will include this link in their blog post and/or in their subscribers' emails and invite the reader to click on the link to find out more about the product or service. When the potential buyer clicks on the link, which will take them to the merchant's website, a cookie will identify the affiliate, and this will be placed on their computer. The cookie will make sure that the affiliate is credited with the referral sale, whenever the potential buyer clicks on it within the lifespan of the cookie. At the stage where the buyer completes the sale, the merchant will check their sales records for a cookie identifying the referral affiliate. If and when the merchant finds a cookie with an affiliate ID, the affiliate will then be credited with the sale. The merchant will have reports where the affiliate can see their referrals. The affiliate will be able to see reports that will include the amount of click and sales. The affiliate will receive payment, commissions, from the merchant at the end of the payment cycle. The payment cycle length can vary depending of the merchant, but typically once a month. I have a visual graphic that will give you an overview of the process. Link below if you want to become a serious blogger and make affiliate marketing a major part of your income, then this would be a typical path that you would take. Once you get to understand how affiliate marketing works, it will become much more straightforward and will be the same process whatever product you chose to promote. Here's how I make a living online. I learned with a step-by-step process doing exactly that. I now help my readers by giving them valuable information. I offer product reviews that contain affiliate links, and this works because in most cases readers have already made their mind up with or without my help. It is then my job to give my readers value and help them to make a smarter decision than they would have done without me. It is more about helping people than selling to people. It is important to understand this because then you will be on your way to creating an income-generating website. I use a proven method. This is a proven method, but making money online is not easy. Like anything else, you will have to put in the hard work before you start seeing the results. But this is a much better way of making money online. If you are looking to make money fast online and are looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then you will be a long time looking. You see, a lot of internet marketing products will lure you into this easy money and the thought that you don't have to work hard to make money online. However, if you are someone that is looking for a lifestyle change and willing to put in the hard work, then affiliate marketing is definitely something that you should look into too. Because with that hard work mindset, you are ready to start building your passive income stream online. If you want to earn the big bucks online, then you are going to have to put the hard work in to get it. All of the successful online influencers have put in the hard work and have been doing so for a while. I have been putting in the hard work myself and working hard to build this website that you are on, and now I can make a living online with my website. My website gets traffic on its own, and I am glad to say that it is self-generating, but that is because I have learned how to make my website do this. You can also learn how to do this as well with the platform that I am using, and you can find out all the details on how it works right here in my review product guide. On this platform you will learn how you can build your very own income-generating online business and see how this business model works, and you will also see where you can get started for free. The great thing is that you will learn how to build your business from the ground up with a solid foundation. You can also build your very first website in under 30 minutes and see how easy it is to get started. Another great point is that you will have all the help that you need to stay on the right path to success. I will also offer my personal help to you if and when you need it. You will also have a community of like-minded people along with the owners themselves to help you. You will have all you need to become successful along with your hard work and putting in the time to do so. Therefore, there's no time to waste. Anyone can build a profitable website using this step-by-step training. I have shown you how it works for me, and you can see for yourself how it is working for me on this website. You will also see how it is working with others too. You know that you can get started for free. Here's what you and I know: 1 year from today you will certainly arrive. The question is where? That is your decision to make right now. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. For more information on how you can get started today, check out the links in the description below.